getting wet. First really heavy bit of rain we've had since we've been down here. A bit of light rain, but not like this. Oh, it's half the fun. We're at the mercy of the elements. Cancelled one trip. We were going to go to one of the caves close by, but not going to happen now. Because I don't know what the roads are like. Whether it's made road all the way, dirt road, or turns to slush. So we'll can that, see what happens. Maybe I'll do it tomorrow. But at the moment, it's just, the rain's cooled everything down. It's really nice, but buggered up the plans for the day. Going to visit one of the mountains, having really nice views. Anyway, catch up.